Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the new area of Quest Dokkan story. This is the area 31. So let's tap the news update first. Tap the event, scroll down, and this one. Chapter 5 Part 2, Area 31 is here. So there are total 4 stages you can do or challenge yourself in hard, Z hard, and super. And also you can get this incredible gem blue in the along with the release of area 31. So you can exchange the blue the incredible gem blue with the Hercules statue or Elder Kai. And let's get started by tapping the start. Tap this Quest Dokkan story and this one, area 31. So there are total 4 stages you have to complete, and also there are hard, Z hard, and super. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.